Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about sewing machines. All basic sewing machines have similarities, but I'll show you what the Singer Heavy Duty 6380 does. This machine is one of the best beginner-friendly sewing machines out there. If you've been overwhelmed by machines and just want something simple, reliable, and powerful, this one deserves your attention. Want a sewing machine that actually feels simple to use? Let's explore the Singer Heavy Duty 6380, perfect for beginners. What it is and who it's for. The Singer Heavy Duty 6380 is a mechanical sewing machine that's perfect for beginners, especially if you want speed, power, and dependable straight stitching. It's designed for everyday sewing, from basic hems to simple home decor, and has a reputation for lasting a long time. Here are the key features. Heavy duty frame, thread tension dial, needle position dial, stitch width dial, stitch length dial, reverse sewing lever, presser foot lifter, needle plate, hand wheel, 32 built-in stitches, straight stitches, stretch stitches, decorative stitches, buttonhole stitch, speed and power, and simple mechanical controls. Heavy-duty frame. This machine has a heavy-duty metal frame, which means less vibration for smoother stitching, especially when you're sewing straight lines or multiple layers. 32 built-in stitches, what that means for beginners. The Singer Heavy Duty 6380 has 32 built-in stitch patterns on the dial. Beginners often confuse built-in stitches with stitch applications, but those are just different ways to use the same stitches. For beginner sewing, these 32 stitches are more than enough. Mistake to avoid. 32 built-in stitches. Thinking you need to learn or use all 32 stitches at once, which leads to overwhelm and confusion. What to do instead? Start with just a few basic stitches and ignore the rest for now. Build confidence first. Straight stitches. The straight stitch is the most used stitch for beginners. Slow, steady sewing using the seam guide makes a huge difference. Because the machine can adjust the stitch length and width, you can change how tight or how loose the stitches look. That means one stitch pattern can work for more than one purpose. Mistake to avoid. Straight stitches. Sewing without seam guides or sewing too fast, resulting in crooked or uneven stitches. What to do instead? Use the straight stitch slowly, following the seam guide on the needle plate. Stretch stitches. Beginners often panic when a stitch breaks. Stretch stitches are designed to move with stretchy fabric, like knit or jersey, so your stitches don't snap when the fabric stretches. These stitches stretch with the fabric instead of breaking. Mistake to avoid. Stretch stitches. Using a straight stitch on stretchy fabric, causing stitches to pop or break. What to do instead? Switch to a stretch stitch so the seam can move with the fabric. Remember to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips and tutorials. Decorative stitches. A common beginner mistake is jumping straight into decorative stitches before practicing. Decorative stitches allows you to add personality to your project, maybe on a pillow edge, a tote bag corner, or a project banner like scallops, waves, tiny diamonds, etc. But once you learn the basics. Another decorative stitch demo. Mistake to avoid. Decorative stitches. Thinking decorative stitches are required or trying to use them before mastering basic stitches, which often leads to frustration and messy results. What to do instead? Treat decorative stitches as optional and fun and use them after you're comfortable with straight stitching. Always practice first. Buttonhole stitch. One-step buttonhole. Buttonholes used to be so tricky, but this one-step buttonhole makes them simple and consistent. It's a great confidence booster for beginners because it removes the guesswork. Mistake to avoid. Buttonhole stitch. Trying to manually guess buttonhole size or skipping buttonholes altogether out of fear. What to do instead? Use the one-step buttonhole and let the machine measure and sew it automatically. Speed and power. This machine sews faster and more powerfully than most basic machines, so it handles thick fabrics and multiple layers with confidence. Power doesn't mean you have to sew fast. Going slower gives you cleaner stitches and more control. Mistake to avoid. Sewing too fast or thinking power means you should sew aggressively. What to do instead? Use controlled speed and let the machine do the work. Simple mechanical controls. There are no complex screens. Everything is dial-based. That keeps things natural and easy to understand for beginners who don't want tech headaches. Simple mechanical controls are beginner friendly. Small adjustments make a big difference. Always test on scrap fabric first. Mistake to avoid. Simple mechanical controls. Overthinking settings or constantly changing dials without understanding what they do. What to do instead? Make small intentional adjustments and keep settings simple. What you'll love. What beginners usually love about the Singer 6380? It's simple, dependable, and forgiving. You'll hear fewer buzzes or stalls, and you won't feel like you're fighting the machine. Limitations. Of course, nothing is perfect. This is a mechanical machine, so you don't get fancy digital screens. Also, if your goal is advanced couture techniques, you may eventually want to upgrade features, but for beginners, this machine works extremely well. Who it's best for? This machine is ideal if you're brand new to sewing, tired of complicated machines, making simple garments, pillow covers, or beginner home decor, wanting something durable that grows with you. Quick tips for beginners. Before you start sewing, here are tips specific to this machine. Always thread with the presser foot up. Test stitches on fabric scraps. Keep a small lint brush handy and use medium cotton for practice. Threading affects everything, your tension, your stitches, and how smooth your sewing feels. If you want to avoid all the beginner frustration, watch my video, The Secret to Threading a Sewing Machine, next. You'll see exactly how to thread this machine from start to finish. Now that you understand the basics of sewing machines and what truly matters for beginners, you're ready for a machine that supports your growth, not one that overwhelms you, right? If you want a beginner-friendly machine that's simple, powerful, and easy to learn on, the Singer Heavy Duty 6380 is a fantastic choice. It's the same style of machine I recommend to all new sewers because it helps you get clean stitches, learn faster, and more confident with every project. I've added my affiliate link in the description if you're ready to grab one for yourself. Whichever machine you choose, I'm cheering you on. You got this! Remember to click the subscribe button for more beginner-friendly sewing tips and tutorials.